Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be doing like a quick market update. We'll be going through different cryptocurrencies and see the recent developments that have happened with them. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the coin market cap, and currently the global market cap is down by 0.25% over the last date. It is currently sitting at $917.63 billion. Over here, when you scroll down, you're going to see that the price movement has been in the downward trajectory. Not significantly though, but yeah, overall it looks quite promising. Bitcoin is down by 1.66% over the last 24 hours. Ethereum is up by 0.62%. Tether is a stable coin. We have USDC, which is down by 0.01%. We got BNB, which is up by 0.42%. But a really interesting thing is the XRP coin, which has been up by 7.48% in the past 24 hours. Currently, Bitcoin is priced at $18,683, and this is the total market cap of Bitcoin. As you can see over here, it looks quite promising. If you take a look at it from the span of 1 year, we are obviously in a downward trajectory, but I am quite hopeful that this winter might come to an end and we would see the new highs probably in few months. There was a lot of buzz that Ethereum might face issues because of its merge that is happening. However, now that merge has actually occurred, let's take a look at what is happening in the crypto market. This merge actually allowed Ethereum to switch from proof of work to what's known as proof of stake, which also reduces the Ethereum's energy consumption by 99%. However, an interesting fact is that despite that, the Ethereum coin has dropped by 15%. As per Vijay Iyer, who is a vice president of corporate development and international at crypto exchange Luno, he said that the merge was already priced in for Ether and the actual event was a sell the new situation. Traders are also shifting investment from Ether to other digital coins such as Bitcoin as well, which might be the reason for decline in price. Investors are also wondering whether the regulatory standing of Ether might change after this merge, because the cryptocurrencies that work on proof of stake model, which now applies to Ethereum, could be classified as a security. This would bring it under purview of regulators. Central banks around the world have also been raising interest rates to deal with this inflation, but that causes risk to assets such as stocks. Cryptocurrencies has been closely related with US stock market, in particularly the tech-heavy Nasdaq. Since stocks are under a lot of scrutiny and pressure to cope up, crypto has actually been influenced by that heat. From a macro perspective, inflation did occur and it led to a sell-off across all the market, but the Ethereum and altcoin did sell off harder, given they are along the most risky part of the crypto spectrum. Now let's talk a little bit about how SEC is dealing with XRP. So, as per the latest report, cryptocurrency lobby group Chamber of Digital Commerce has received approval from the US Federal Court to be an amicus curiae in the lawsuit that the US Securities and Exchange Commission filed in 2020 against Ripple Labs. This court case has lasted since 2020 and it will set a precedent for the industry that could come soon to an end. On the 17th of September, SEC and Ripple Labs filed motions for summary judgment to the judge Analisia Torres of the U.S. District Court for Southern District of New York. Court reviewed and granted the request for the Chamber of Digital Commerce to file an amicus curiae brief. This brief supported Ripple's argument. It said that the court has previously asserted correctly that a digital asset is not a security solely by virtue of being represented in digital form or recorded on a blockchain ledger. SEC took no position on that, but it did request more time if this amicus brief is granted. As per the Ripple defendants, they believe that this is another way to delay the resolution of this case. Another motion was granted on 21st of September that gave deadlines for the motions to seal and requests that prevent evidence. Now, the final deadline for motion to seal by third party is 9th of December 2022. After filing a summary of judgment motion, XRP's price has seen a steady climb. It was up by 13% in the past 24 hours and 46% over the last 7 days. However, investors must still await for a specific date to hear the final conclusion. Now let's talk a little bit about the Terra fiasco, which appears to be gradually dying down. There are South Korean prosecutors who have revealed plans to launch a fresh investigation into the firm and the company itself. As per the prosecutors, they aim to decide whether to categorize this coin under securities, including its native token Luna. And for the longest time out there, the financial regulators have been working to determine which crypto assets are categorized as securities and non-securities. There are several experts that argue that cryptocurrencies are securities since they can be issued like stocks, but other believes that they should be classified as a commodity due to their decentralized characteristics. If Terra token will be determined as a securities to this investigation, the founder and the company itself will be charged with violating the Capital Market Act. Currently, they are facing fraud and tax evasion charges leveled up against them following the UST debacle that happened earlier in May. Korean authorities have scrutinized various individuals and entities related to this case. They even raided the house of Terra Labs co-founder Daniel Shin as a part of this investigation. As per the current report, the SEC is also expanding the scope of this investigation into Terraform Labs. And their DeFi platform Mirror Protocol is also under the radar of SEC. So really fascinating and interesting to see what happens next. Today's top cryptocurrencies are listed over here. The top gainers are Kronos, which is up by 12.11% in 24 hours. We got XTC, XRP, which is up by 8.71%. We got Chill, 6.26%. Axie Infinity is up by 3.27%. When it comes to top losers, so as you can see, Terra Classic has been down by 11.49% in 24 hours. We got Leo as well, which is down by 13.39%. We got Helium, we got ApeCoin, LDO, we got Near Protocol, we got Terra Luna, EOS, a Curve DAO token as well. So overall, market looks quite interesting. There are a lot of recent developments that have occurred with various cryptocurrencies. So I'm really excited to see what the future holds. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick market update. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.